First, we'll see what is anchor tag, and we will see what is a okay. So suppose whenever in the project there will be multiple pages, right? Not only one page, there will be multiple pages. We want to navigate from the one page to another page. So in that scenario, we will go for the anchor tags. Okay, so this is the anchor tag. Okay, that is okay. And suppose I will log out, and here we have a forget and we have a register, and from there also we'll come back using the this anchor tags only. So this is already we have done first day itself. Okay, now we'll learn some more about the anchor tag and we will see this. Okay, suppose what we want to do. Uh, uh, so here, what is the anchor tag? What is the tag name? A tag, correct, right? And what is the attribute? We will use it href. Okay, href is okay. So here we'll give a which page we want to go for link. Okay, that is okay. Now let us go for a. So there is another attribute called target. Okay, so I'll just show some example and where we will use this one. Suppose if you are using Bing, right? I want to go to google.com, something like I'm searching it. Okay, okay, let me go to Bing results. Okay, suppose this is a Bing. Okay, whenever I'm clicking here, most of the time what they will do, they will open their search results in a separate tab, right? This is an anchor tag only, but whenever I'm clicking, it is opening in a new tab, not in the same place. Okay, suppose same thing I want to do it, and sometimes in the project also there will be some scenarios where you want to open this data in a separate tab. Suppose this is stock information, I want to open in a separate Google website. I want to search this thing in a separate tab, something like I will click here, so automatically we will search with this one. So I don't want to load that information in our website. We want to open in a separate tab or separate window, something like that. Okay. In that scenario also, we will use this anchor tag. Okay. So let us start using that anchor tag. How to do that? Okay. Let me go to login here. So here we have what is the attribute we have used yesterday? href, right? So there is another attribute called target. Okay. So there is another attribute called target. For this target, we can give these values: underscore blank, underscore parent, underscore self, underscore top, something like this. Okay. So mostly we will use this underscore blank. Okay. So let us go with the underscore blank. I will save this one and let me
అన్న
reload this.
కొంచెం జూమ్ చేయరా.
Yes, yes. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, view appearance and zoom in. Is this okay or still okay? Now we can miss. Okay. Okay, so let us go with this. So currently I just have added this target is equal to blank. Okay, let me go to login page, open it here, and let me click on login. See, this page is opening in a separate tab. Suppose we don't want a separate tab, we want in the same page. So here you can give the other values underscore self, or you want to go with some parent, you can try with this four values and do it, not a problem, something like this. So it will open in a parent itself, like who is the parent? This current page itself parent. Okay, that is the reason it's but most of the time we will write like a underscore blank. Whenever you want to open in a new tab, we will use this attribute. Okay, so this is the one we will do it. Okay, so now we have seen this is anchor tag, that is fine. So by default anchor tag, right? If you go to anchor tag, so what will happen is, so here by default it will be like this. Whenever you are clicking here, and this link style will be changed automatically. So if you are clicking it, it will be showing in a some other color. By default it is in a blue color. If you for visited things, it will be color coming like a violet color. Those things are not like, it's not much important, but let us see how to write this one. Okay, so these are the colors you can identify. That is okay. Okay, so now I want to go with some small, like if there is a single page application. Single page application means suppose we'll go for any Zomato or something. If you want to order any food, what we'll do, we'll go to Zomato website and we'll order something, right? Okay, suppose I want to Nellore something. Let me write. Okay. So they will show all the menus, something like this. Okay. Suppose what I want to do, I want to order something here. Okay. Let me go to here. They want to have a side by side menu. Okay, let me just switch to Swiggy then, because I just want to show some menu, like how we are going to implement it. Okay, suppose if this is a menu man, okay, so here we can scroll here and we can see the item, that is everything. Okay, suppose I want to add some uttapam or something like this. So whenever I'm clicking here, automatically my scroll bar is coming from top to bottom. Please observe this one. Okay, I will be in the top of the page first. Okay, I am in the top. Now I want to go to the last item here. Suppose here some idli or mini combos. Okay, so if I want to go to from top to bottom, I have to scroll right. Instead of scrolling it, here we have given a one menu, small menu. Okay, mini combo. So whenever I am clicking here, automatically it is, see, it is automatically taking me to this page. Like you are in the same page, your scroll automatically going there, right? Okay, you want to achieve something like this. Okay, this is also will achieve using the same our anchor tags only. Okay, so for this demo, what I will do, I will create a separate file. Uh, Page navigation or some food menu, something like this. Okay, food menu dot html. Now what we want to do, first we want to write some things like this. Okay, for this one what I will do, I'll just prepare a simple a program here. We can just see this. Okay, so this is an head element. Everybody know what is the head element, right? Okay, and there is a h2. hd is nothing but a tag selector. Okay, and height, so hd is a what element? Block level element, correct, right? What is a block level element? It will respect the width and height, right? If you read the fourth point, it will respect the width and height. I am saying each box should be 200 pixel height. Okay, so let me just copy these 4 lines and we can see it. Okay, I'll explain it one by one. Okay, don't worry. So right click and format the document, so everybody understand what is this style and border. So this border I will tell you. Okay, I'll tell you what is this border, and here I'll remove this one and I'll remove this one. So okay, so this is a plain one. Let us go to food menu and reveal in the explorer and open it. Okay, something like this. By default there is something mistake, that is the reason h2 also it is coming here. What is the mistake, anybody tell me? I did not add the style tag. Okay, yes. Okay, style tag. Okay, let us write it and just move this one to the style. That is the reason. Okay, right click and format the document, save it. So let us reload the page one. Okay, see, so this is like, you think like these are the all items in the first box and these are the second item in the something like this. Now I want to go to this food menu or I want to go to the chapter 4. Okay, but currently I am in the top of the menu. I want to go directly go to the chapter 4, something like this. Okay, so first let us understand this page. Simple, this is a h2 here I am writing h2 tag. That is the reason I am giving a h2 here. And height, if I am not giving height, what will happen is by default it will be very small. If all pages are displaying here, we cannot scroll to bottom, right? That is the reason I am adding a scroll. Just because of that reason I am adding the height is equal to 200 pixel. That is okay. Okay, and here this is a simple anchor tag, there is no link at all. That's fine. And h1 h2 h3 something like we have it. Okay, now what we want to do, I want to go to this chapter 4. This is like a some gulab jam, something like this. And I want, whenever I'm clicking here, I want to go to gulab jam. Okay, first I will have a one menu here, gulab jam here. When I'm clicking, I want to go there. Okay, so first let us write the gulab jam here. I'll write a anchor tag. Okay, let us go for gulab something, or I will say sweets something like this. Okay, so let us reload the page. Let us reload the page. So if you are clicking here, nothing is happening, right? So by default, what we will give inside this href, we will give the other page URL, right? But in this scenario, what we want to navigate to same page, not in the other page. That is the reason. First, we have to do like this. First, like which tag you want to go to, Gulab Jam. Go there and provide the ID. What is that? We have to provide a ID. You give any item. Okay, I will say sweet hyphen 2 or sweet hyphen 1, something like this is a id. So I will, let me explain. So this is a starting tag, id is a attribute. Okay, id is an attribute. This id should be unique in this page. this you have to give unique ID in this page. You should not give duplicate ID, okay? Because this ID will be acting like a unique selector. That is the reason. So now what is the name I have given here? Suite 1. Okay, copy this one and go to where is your anchor tag here, right? Okay, here you need to write a hash and provide this ID. Okay, let us save here and reload the page. Okay, currently let us go. See, I'm in the scroll top. I will click here. Automatically coming here, right? So this will happen only if you follow these 2 steps. Okay, so in interview last time when they attended interview, what they have given a question is, so I want to navigate from top to bottom, and what are the correct ways to do this? What they have done is, the first option they are giving ID is equal to suite here. Okay, and second option they are writing a href or something. There here they are writing a hash something like. Is it correct or not? That is not correct. Okay, wherever you want to navigate, there you need to define the ID. Okay, from where which place you want to navigate, there you have to give href is equal to hash that ID. That's all. Okay, that is my ID suite -1. Some people what they will do, they will again define is equal suite is equal to 1. This is not correct. Only one place we should define it. That information we should use in the anchor tag. That's all. Automatically that page will be navigating to the bottom. Okay, so this is the question actually they are getting for some interview, some for some company. Okay, so single page, it will work in the single page. If you want to navigate from, suppose if you go to any simple website, any company website, right, static pages, they will say for about us, the contact, something like this. They will write everything in single page. Whenever you are clicking, automatically your scroll will go there. In such scenarios, you can use this option. Okay. Multiple page means whenever you are navigating from one page to another page. So here I am clicking register. I am going to another page, right? Separate page. Here if you see, I'm my entire page is getting reloaded. This is like a multi-page. Okay. Okay, let us go to the next. Okay, so far now we understand, we understood that even we can open in a separate tab, or we can open our same content in the our page also. Both things are we have seen. Okay, so let us go for the, there is a small things, this is like, this is not that much important, but if you are able to understand, that is okay. Okay, so suppose what we want to do, I don't want to open this one. Okay, let me copy here. So whenever I am clicking my login page, let me go to my login page. Okay, whenever I'm clicking login page, I don't want to go to my page. I want to go to some website URL. Okay, so till now we are giving only our pages, right? We are giving our file name. Okay, so instead of giving file name here, we can go and give the even URL also. Okay, something like this. Okay, I will save here and reload our login page. So let us go log in here, click on that. See, so even you can navigate to any other website also in the anchor tag. Okay, that is you can give it. So whenever you are giving this full URL to the these things, will say it as a absolute URL. If you are giving full address, that is nothing but a absolute URL. Okay, that's the one. And something, let me explain. This is a URL, and there is one small part also. Let me give. So there is like this these URLs we can give in a 2 ways. One is a absolute, another is a relative. Absolute means it will give full, where is that full page it is available, full like that address. Okay, and relative means from current page it will give the that page location. That is nothing but a relative page. So let me explain in the program way. Suppose now whenever we are clicking which page, we have to go for home.html. See here, I'm just giving directly home.html. I'm not giving D drive or C drive colon nothing. I'm giving it, right. Some people they will write a C colon D drive something like. If you are giving like that, that is a absolute URL. Okay, let me save this one and reload it here. Okay, if I'm clicking here, it is opening my registration page. Okay, this is the one, but I don't want to give like this. I want to see where is this home.html file. Reveal in the explorer, right click, there is a copy path. Okay, see, copy relative path, copy path. I'll copy the path. and let me go to login here, and here remove this one. See, it is available in the C drive, users, OneDrive, some Angular core, something. I'm giving full address, right? So if you are giving a full address like this is nothing but a obsolete. If you are giving just home.html, this file also is available in my local directory only. So that is nothing but a relative. Okay. So let us go with the obsolete one time and say, okay, let me reload it. Still I'm getting the response, right? So but if you are giving any absolute path, the problem is if you are sharing this project to anybody else, for them it will not work. Even if I am sharing this file to you, this will not work. Why it will not work? In your system there is no user Sudha and OneDrive, because your machine directories will be different. That is the reason giving this absolute path is not a good suggestion. So always go with the relative path only. Okay, so that is nothing but a absolute and a relative URL. Okay, that is okay. Okay, suppose, and there is another thing I want to do it, man. Okay, suppose if you go to any simple website, I'll go to some simple website. Here there is a something like we have a Twitter icon is there. So whenever we are clicking here, it will is going to another page. So do we know how to do this one, right? A simple we anchor tag, and this another one is a target is equal to underscore blank. That is okay. Okay, and there is a email is here. Suppose email is here. So whenever you are clicking email, what we want to do, I want to open my email editor. Suppose I will say something like this. Okay, yeah, and see automatically that email should come pop up here. Okay, whenever you are clicking anchor tag, what should happen? Automatically it should pop up here, something like this I want to do it. Okay, so this is also anchor tag only. Let us write it here. Okay, so I will say anchor tag. Okay, I will say contact our support. Contact our support team. Something like most of the time you'll see it. Okay. So most of the time what we will write here, we'll either will write a URL or we'll write a page name, right? Suppose I will say support at Trinits.com, something like this. If you are writing like this, and let us reload the page again. Okay. What is happening? It is trying to look for this page. Okay, whenever I'm giving my URL and I am opening here, what it is happening, it is trying to look for that page, and there is no such page, right? There is no such page, it will throw the error. Okay, to avoid this we have to use a one prefix here. Okay, mail to, okay, and colon. So what this will do, hey browser, don't try to look for this file, it is a email, you try to open in a email editor, something like this. Okay, so let us reload here. See, same thing, one simple trick and it will open the editor, something like this. Okay, okay, so let us go for here. And what is the attribute we are using inside it? Mail to colon. If you forgot, that is fine, simply go to Google and anchor tag mail attribute. It will, they will give this hint itself. Okay, but remember there is a one simple attribute to open a mail editor also, something like this. Okay, yes. Okay, suppose now we have done this things. Okay, okay, and next thing is we can add anchor tag inside button or paragraph also, like we can add anywhere. Okay, so earlier we are directly adding it, right? Now what I want to do, I want to add a button for login page. So how to do this? I want to add a button. Can you help me to do it? A button. Okay, I will say login instead of login. But whenever we are adding a button, we cannot navigate from one page to another page, right? Because there is no navigation system. Here if I'm clicking also, it will not go to home page, right? To solve this problem, till we are completing the course, we will cut here and we'll add it in the center. So we are adding a anchor tag inside the button. So automatically whenever we are clicking it, so automatically whenever we are clicking it, we'll navigate to, it looks like a button, but inside we have a anchor tag, so that we can use it. And the point here is you can add this anchor tag inside any tag. If you want inside the H2, you can add it. H1, you add it. Paragraph also, you can add it. Okay. Okay. So now I want to build two things here. One thing is I want to build the project as well as the some definition. Okay, I'll go to login here. So dashboard employees, there are two tags are there, right? So whenever I'm clicking dashboard, what is happening? Dashboard page is coming. But if I want to navigate to back, where are my links? My links are gone, right? Then how will you go that? In a website means always, even if you go to first page, second page, third page, always your link should be same, right? Always in all the pages link should be there. So that is a one problem here I am seeing it. Okay, so let us we will solve that problem one by one. Okay, so let us go for the anchor. So we know what is the anchor tag, right? Anchor tag and button we have seen. Okay, these two tags will call it as a inline elements. Okay, well, we earlier we have seen what elements, block level elements. Now we are going to see inline elements. Okay, so let us for a demo we will see what is the inline element. Okay, so there is a food menu we have written, right? So what is the tag we are using? H2. Okay, so what I will do, I will remove everything. I will remove everything for a demo purpose. Okay, I'll write a anchor tag. Okay, some text. Okay, and here I'll write a anchor tag. So yeah, so A for anchor tag only, right? So let us reload the page, this food menu page. Okay, see. So you have to understand here, ma. What is the height I am giving it? 200 pixel. Okay, in the bottom I will write, tell me any block level tag, h1, h2, h3, any block level tag, right? I will go for paragraph also block level. Okay, I am a paragraph, something like this. Okay, so now for paragraph also I will add the same style. If you want to add the same style for two elements, what I can do, I can write a comma space p. That means either p element same style or a element same style. Okay, so let us go and reload the page. See, for paragraph, immediately the height is getting applied. For this anchor tag, even though I'm setting height, you are seeing the code, right? Okay, so but height is not applicable, correct, right? I will try to change the width also. I will say width is equal to 250 pixel, something like this. Okay, let us see, is there any change in the first box? No. What about second? There is a space, right? Okay, so let us go for the nodes. Okay, so inline elements always starts in a same line. They will not go in a next line, because they will occupy only required width. It will occupy only required width. Okay, and second point, width and height are not applicable. I am a genius, I am setting width and height, but that is not a genius. It will not take at all. In code everything is there, but it will not work, because you need to understand, okay, anchor tag is a inline element. For inline element, even if I am setting also, that will not work out. Okay, so this is the question they will ask interview. Okay, so that's the next thing. And margin top and bottom are not applicable. What is this margin? Now we will see, for example. Okay, what is the space? How much space is there here? Only little bit, right? I want to increase the space between these two guys. Okay, whenever you want to add some space between these two, we can go for a one concept called margin. Okay, margin, I will say margin. Okay, margin, I will say 50 pixel. 50 pixel. Okay, so and instead of doing like this, for a demo purpose, what I will do, I will copy these two and write it separately. For demo, if I want to separately, then only I can do it. Okay, so let us go it. So top and bottom I am giving a same 200 pixel, 200 pixel file, save. Okay, so still it is same. So now what we want to do, I want some space, right? So for this element, paragraph element, where the space is required, top side. Where is the space is required? Top side. Okay, I will go to this paragraph element and I will write like a margin hyphen top. Okay, which side I want, right? Top side. I will say margin top. How much pixel I want to space? 50 pixel, something like this, some example. Okay, save it and reload the page. Now automatically the bottom element came, right? This is okay. Okay, so now I will remove here. You can set the same thing in two ways, ma. You are going in a bottom element and giving a top space, or you can go in alternate way. You go to the first element and give a margin bottom. Okay, and try to give margin bottom for a second element, this one. Tell me how to do it. Property name margin hyphen bottom. Okay, bottom, how many pixel you want to give it? 200 pixel I will give it. Okay, I will save this one. And where is this element should come? In the down or in the same place? Down, right? Okay, let us reload. Where it is coming? Where it's coming? Same place, right? Okay, so now go and read your inline element story. Margin top and bottom are not applicable. Even if you are setting also, that will not respect it. This is the main major difference between the inline versus Okay, block level. Okay, even though you are setting it, it will not respect at all. Inline means, hey boss, I don't want any space, I will require only required width. If you want any adjustment, go to next guy and ask that guy. I will not move something like this. Okay, everybody okay with this one, right? So this is that is the reason people will say margin top and bottom are not applicable for the inline, and width and height are not applicable for the inline element. For block level, it is working fine. Okay, now the interview question, yesterday or day before yesterday, one guy is asking, no, I want this anchor tag only, but I want to apply this width and height also. Okay, this is the question they are asking. I want to keep anchor tag only, and if I am setting width and height also, it should work. Then how you will write your code? Okay, very simple. Okay, by default this anchor tag is a inline element. Okay, we can give some special permission to anchor tag. Hey anchor tag, you convert into block level tag. We can give such behavior. Okay, for this one there is one property called display. Okay, what is the property name? Display. Here simply write like a display is equal to block. This everything will cover again in the css. Okay, so now again let us go and reload it. See, this is a text, automatically it's taking 200. See, our box is there, it took 200 something, automatically it is given the space, right? So whenever you are writing any anchor tag, you want to apply width and height or margin bottom, if it is not respecting, then immediately what is the trick you should do it? Display is equal to block. Okay, and there is another thing also is there, an inline block. I will explain this inline block later. For now we'll go with these two approaches. Okay, block versus a inline block. If you want to convert, suppose somebody will ask, I want to convert this paragraph to the inline, what you can do? Same story, display is equal to inline, something like this. If you are writing paragraph inline, what will happen? Automatically it will not respect the other story, something you can convert it. Okay, so by default these are block level, this is a inline, but if you want to convert it, we can convert it. What is the property name we can convert it? Display. Okay, most very important property. Okay, yes, we can play with this one. So this is the story about the inline element. Okay, everybody confident about the inline. What is the difference between inline and block? Definite question. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, tell me some example for inline elements, ma. Okay, anchor tag we have seen, button also inline element. Okay, and span, we will see what is the span and div in the coming. Okay, this is okay. Now I want to add some images. Okay, I want to add some images. Once this just concept is done, and then we'll go for the our project. Okay, so suppose if you take any project, man, so what is the things most of the time it will be there? And suppose this is a payroll project done by our students. Okay, suppose this is a home page they want to give. Why they will add images? Just for look and feel, right? Whenever some comes, like they will attract by seeing the images, something like this, right? So now I want to add this image. Okay, I want to add any image to the website or any login page, something. Suppose here also some image is there, correct, right? And here also some image is there. Let us go for login page. Here also some image is there. Okay, suppose I want to add a one image. So like most of the time, if you want to see the login page design, go to Google, and there is a site called Dribble. Okay, so there is a designers will be there. Dribble, I want to write a login page design, something like this. Okay, what they will do, so our job is UI, not UX. Okay, UI job is they will give the page, and we have to write the code like that. Their UX job is they will have to define some pages look like this. Okay, okay, so this is an example page. So there is a one UX guy, they will just give a screenshot to you. Okay, hey Sudhakar, go and write this page, implement this page. Okay, so we have to implement this page by us. So this design will given by the UX. This code will written by UI people. We are UI people. Okay, we no need to work on this one. They will give this link automatically. We will write like this. Okay, so you can go to this website and take any nice design. Suppose for example, whenever you want to do it, go here and you can find the nice designs. These are free. You can go for here. This is the one, something. This is the registration page. See, in the left side they have one image, and right side they are showing some data, something like this. Okay, you can go for any some whichever you like it, you go it. Okay, so currently because we have a login page, registration page, something is there, right? We no need to implement exactly what I am showing in the link. You can take any one example from here and try to keep it as a differently, because if you are 10 people, if you are keeping same thing, that is not a good. Maybe if you want to try different, you can go with here and try different things. Okay, so this is the page where you can get some good ideas how to implement some colors and all these things. So something like this. Okay, so let's go for content. So now what I want to do, if I want to add any images right side or left side, I want to do like this, right? First we have to learn how to import the images. Okay, so for this reason what I will do, I'll try to download some image here. Okay, and I'll click save images. You can go to Google and try download any image. Okay, no problem at all. And I'll go for where is the HTML. Okay, save it. Okay, you can go to Google and search for any image. Okay, some payroll management. Okay, images something. Go and download any image whichever you like it. Okay, so right click and save images, and try to download it to your folder. Okay, and so now where is my login page? I'll go to login page. Okay, so now I want to show my right side, I want to show it. Okay, please don't focus on the right side or left side. This side I will concentrate about the layouts. Okay, automatically you will get it how to display in the right side. For now I'll just add it in the bottom, but I will try to show how to it should come in the right side also. Okay, we'll go step by step only. Okay, that's all. So let's go for image tag. So when we are going to, so there is a img tag is there. Whenever you want to upload any email, I cannot upload, show any images, we can go for a img tag. Okay, so there are two important attributes are there. One is a src means source. Where is your image file? What is your file name? That is nothing but a src. And alt is there. I will tell about the alt also. Let's go for our login page here. Now I want to add a, what is the one I want to add it, image. Okay, img. So let us write like img and something like, okay. Okay, so this img tag also like a no ending tag. You no need to write the ending tag for this one. Okay, so by default it is asking for the src and alt. So what is my src? If you see here, I have two images. One is iStock and this is a logo dot. Let me copy. So logo data jpg. See, L is a capital. Please, HTML is a case sensitive, insensitive only for only tags, not for this URL and this thing file names. Okay, okay. Logo data jpg. Okay, I will save this one and I will try to reload my page again. Okay, so automatically came right. So how you want to display in the right side, how you want to display in the left side, or how where you want to display, that I will cover. Just okay, wait for some time, I'll cover it. Okay, and second thing is there is important attribute called alt is there. Okay, suppose some people is opening the same website and they are in like a outside of the network. Whenever you don't have proper internet, what will happen? The page will keep on rotating, right? Whenever pages keep on rotating, they will not, this image will not be downloaded immediately. They will see some empty content over there, correct, right? So instead of that, we have to provide a alt means a alternative text. Whenever this image is not available or not downloaded, what is the text we should display? That is nothing but a alt. Sometimes they are asking in the interview, what is the use of alt? Okay, just understand. Okay, so here I will say this is the logo image for the project, something like this. Okay, so I have written right, and I will reload it here, but still my image is, where is the text? Text is not displaying. Okay, suppose where it will be used is, suppose some people what they will do, they will click on this read this page. Okay, so whenever you are clicking this one, this image you cannot read by this radar, right? It will try to use that. Okay, it will try to go for, yes. Okay, so it will try to use this alt text in that time also. Okay, so screen reader will use it. And second demo is suppose this is my file name. I am having a slow network because here I am having a fast network. That is the reason I will give a wrong name. So logo 1.jpg. Think like it is downloading slowly, and I will reload my page here. See what is image it is showing. This is a logo image for the project. So till that time you are loading that file, auto this text will be showing there. Okay, if your image is downloaded perfectly, then immediately your image will be displayed. Till that time this text will be displayed. So what is the attribute name? What is the attribute name? ALT. ALT means a alternative text. What is the alternative text for your image? Something like this. Okay. So here, suppose this image is there here, right? I want to increase the width. I want to increase the width. You can increase here itself. Okay. You can go here and write a width. Width is equal to 500 pixels, something like this. I'm just writing manually. So it is reduced. And if you want to give 1500, so it will be bigger one, something like this. Okay, you can change the width and height also. I can change it. Suppose I want to change it to height is equal to 500 pixel. So if your width and height is same, what we'll call rectangular or square? Width and height are same in square, something like this. You can change it width and height. Okay, so either you can do this one, sir, I don't want to use this one, I want to use my css. So you know how to use the css, right? Go to your header section, and what you will do, write one style tag. Okay, write the style tag, and inside here what is the tag name? Img. Okay, and open bracket and write it. You write the width and height also. This will also work out. Either you go with the tag attributes, or you go with the css also. Anyway, this will work out. Okay, yes, these two things. Okay, so let us go for next level. So we have seen this one. Okay, and important, next important is a tooltips. Okay, tooltips. So what is this tooltip? We will see this. Okay, suppose I go here, man. Okay, you are coming for first time in this page. You didn't, yeah, like you. Okay, suppose this button is there. Do you know what is this button? If you don't have anything, what you will understand? Based on the icon, maybe you think like something is downloading. But if you open here, download CSV for all stocks with the pattern. So what is this meaning? It is giving some meaningful, right? Okay, and this button is there. What is this button? If somebody don't know, based on this one, immediately we are able to read something, right? Okay, so this is called tooltips. So these tooltips are very, very important for the readability purpose. Okay, okay, so let us go for, if you go here, it will tell about the what is this pattern will do. So most of the time they will have a tooltips in the project, something like this. Okay, so now we want to add a tooltips in the HTML project. Okay, so let us go here. Suppose I want to add a button here, right? So whenever I'm clicking login button, I want to say it will navigate to the home page if username password is correct, but we will not write for login. This for only example sake. Okay, so here we'll write a attribute called title. Okay, what is the attribute name? Title. Okay, I will say login to the website and takes to the home page, something like this. Okay, let's go to home page, reload it here. Okay, let me go here. So it is showing the bottom. Okay, log into the website, and if you see, log into the website and taking to the home page. Why it is not showing the black color, something like this? If I am showing here, it is showing the black color, right? By default, HTML tooltips will be like this only. If you want nice color paint, we know that is what we are going to learn in the CSS. Okay, or we can use the, there are some external bootstrap is there. We are going to use the bootstrap, and the bootstrap also we can learn the how to write this tooltips. Okay, so we are going to learn it. So whenever we are going to write, like what is the attribute, we will use it a title. Okay, title. So the important question is, what is the difference between title tag and title attribute? You know, title tag we have used in the day one, right? What is the use of title tag? To display the name of a website. Correct, right? What is the attribute for title? Tooltip, for to display the tooltip of a particular element. Okay, yes. Okay. So now let's go for a next. So far we are waiting for this favicon, right? So we want to add our own brand. Okay, for our website we want to add our own brand icon. Okay, what is the icon we want to add? It favicon. Okay, so let us first we'll understand this favicon. So how much space is here, ma? Very, very small. Correct, right? How much small is there? very small. If I am converting this image into this small, I am reducing size manually. What will happen? You cannot see anything which is inside that one. Correct, right? Okay, that is the reason there are some websites will be there. If you are giving that your image, any image, automatically they will reduce your image and try to make your content also like a visible one. Okay, or in the company, what they will do, we no need to do these things. The external guy will provide the image like a favicon icon. Simply paste that one into our code base and use that all. That's all our duty. Okay, here for demo purpose, what we will do, we will generate one icon using this icon and we'll upload it here. Okay, so let us go on. So now I want, what is, everybody know what is a favicon icon, right? That is a brand icon. You can take any icon and we will do this one. Okay, let's go there. Okay, so this is not a standard step, you can go to Google. Okay, so now I have a I will say Google, and now I want to generate a favicon, something like uh, favicon icon generator. Some, you search it, you go to whichever website you like it. Okay, and let me go to favicon.io or favicon generator, something like this. I will open like this. Okay, here I'm just going favicon generator. Here they will ask like a give your image. I will convert to the favicon small icon. Okay, I'll choose here. Okay, I want to convert to I want to convert. Where is my images? My images are there in the inside the HTML. I'll click logo.jpg. Okay, so there is a button here, right? Create favicon. So automatically they will do the favicon. Okay, and here we can download it. Okay, let us download it. Okay, and if you read this hint, this is how we should use in our favicon also. They are giving this information also, like how we should use it. Okay, later we will use it, that's fine. So we have downloaded the data. Go here, this is where I have downloaded my zip. Okay, so I'll cut this zip. I'll go to my HTML folder where these files are there. I'll paste it here, and this is a zip you have to extract here. Okay, so you can click on the extract, or if you have any zipper something, simply I'll just do it like this. So there is a I'll go here, and there is a separate folder is created now. Okay, if you open here, there are different type of icons are there. Okay, see, this is a small, suppose if you are opening in a same icon you want to for Android mobile. In mobile there is a small icons you want, right? Something like this they will use it. Or if you want to some bigger one, suppose your like iPad is there, so or some tab is there, your icons will be font will be bigger, right? For each size they will generate a different icons. See, they have generated the different size of icons. So you can use any of this icon and do it. Okay, but we don't want all this icon. There is one icon called favicon.ico. Okay, so simply copy this icon alone. Okay, I'll copy this icon. I'll go here. Where is my login page is available? Here, right? Simply I will paste it here. Okay, I am copying only one icon from this folder to the outside, like wherever my code is there, I am pasting it here. Okay, now I need to start writing. I need to include as a favicon. So what is the tag for favicon? Favicon tag, right? Favicon tag or link tag? Okay, so there is no favicon tag. We have only link tag. Okay, so we'll go for link. So link colon favicon. Okay, something like this I'm writing. Okay, so rel is equal to something, and type is equal to this one. No, no. Okay, so rel is equal to, we will call it as a rel is equal to icon, something not shortcut icon. We'll go for rel is equal to icon. Href is equal to, what is my file name here, favicon.ico. So this file, this is also optional only. So simply write rel is equal to icon, href is equal to favicon.ico. This is where we will write only once in a project. We will not write this favicon icon in all the files. Okay, in only HTML project we'll write in all the files. But when you go for React, when you go for Angular, we will write in only one place. But in HTML, we will write in all the places. That is mandatory. Okay, yes. Let us go here and reload it. So now I'll go to my you see, our payroll management also got the favicon icon. Okay, simple steps. If you go here, you can read it out. Favicon, like first go to this website and upload your image. You download it. Once you download it, copy that icon and paste it and use this icon. Like a rel is equal to icon, and href is equal to something like this. Suppose if you want to import external style sheet, what is the rel? We will give it rel is equal to style sheet. For favicon, rel is equal to icon, something like this is the only difference. Okay, yes. Okay, now there is a marquee tag. Okay, there is a marquee tag is there. This tag is deprecated. Okay, deprecated means they are not recommended to use this tag. Okay, any deprecated means they are not recommended to use this tag because all the browsers will not support this tag. Okay, but sometimes what they want to do, that is okay. I just want to explore. Suppose if you go to any financial website, some websites I will say ticker tape. There are some like if you are following the stock market, they will go for the suppose see. So they are scrolling some text as a headlines, or if you go to something like this. So this is our website. Okay. So and they are showing some content like this, right? Okay. Some scrolling something like this. Whenever you want to make some content such like that, you can use a tag called marquee tag. So what is the tag? We can use it a marquee tag. Whenever you want to show any such content, highlight. Suppose if you go to any news websites, either TV9, TV10 or something like this, okay, they will show this dialogue like highlighting, right? So one will go in the left to right, another will go right to left, and it will going like many things. Okay, so those tags we will do it using the marquee tag. Okay, let's go for this marquee tag and simply write like this. So where I want to write my marquee tag in the heading, after my heading, I want to write like this. Okay. So here I will say width is equal to something. I will explain about each one. Don't worry. Let's go here and okay. So here this is the content it is going. Okay. So first let us explain. Okay. So here I am saying width is equal to 60%. You occupy only 60%. Okay. I want to occupy the 100%. Okay, so see here, that is another difference. Earlier I am writing, always I am writing a 100 pixel, 200 pixel, right? Now I am writing a percentage. Okay, percentage means whatever your parent is having it. Parent means suppose forget about the parent and child. Here what is my screen width? How much my screen width is there? It will occupy full screen. That is nothing but a percentage. But if you are giving pixel, always it will, even if your screen is 100 or very big, it will take only little bit. That is nothing but a difference between pixel and percentage. But sure, again we'll discuss this one in the css. Okay, direction. What is the direction? They are showing it up. I don't want up. I want to go to the right or a left direction. Let us go on reload something. If you want to go from the left to right, you can go for here. Suppose I don't want height this much. I want to give only 40 pixel and something. Okay, suppose you want to come direction from the left to like right to left. Width you know that, height you know that, and what is the next property we are seeing it? Direction. Suppose I want to show in a from right to left, I want to show it. Okay, suppose this color I want in the bold or background color I want to add. Do you know how to add a background color, right? Tell me how to do it. Simply go here, marquee tag, open bracket, background color is equal to yellow color or whatever the color you want to add it, you add it. So automatically this one will, okay, the remaining everything same only. So something like this, go here, and there is a scroll amount is there, right? The scroll amount is like a how much speed you want to go this heading. That is nothing but a scroll amount. But this tag is a deprecated one. Try to not use this one until it is a required one. Okay, yes. So this is the one information. Okay, so with this one, like okay, let us focus on the project. Till now we have, what are the concepts we have learned today? We have learned the, what are the things we have learned? Inline element we have learned, correct, right? How to display the image, we know that. And how to display, like how to link within a page, how to open in a separate tab, that also we have learned, right? Okay, so now let us focus on the project. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to have any one image on your login page. Either you keep it in the right side, or you keep it in the left side, or you keep it in the bottom. If you don't know the layout, just keep it in the bottom or left, that is fine. That is okay. Okay, I will tell you how to display in the right side or left side by tomorrow class. Okay, that's one. And let's go for login page here. So do you know how to add a background color, right? Okay, so let us focus on this page. Okay, I'll focus this one. Okay, tomorrow is Sunday, so let us just have some work for tomorrow. Okay, so let me go to my home page first. Okay, how many links I have added yesterday? I have added only some 2 links, right? But I have so many links, something like this. Let me go to, okay. So I'll click on my login page. I'll go to dashboard, employ something like this. So let me change this one to the this links. So employees company calendar leave. Just tell me that so that I'll do it fast. Okay. Company calendar leaves. Okay, what else is there? Review, report, manage. Okay, review, report, manage, and I'll write a logout. Okay, I'll write a logout, something like this, and I'll add some more. Okay, settings. If I miss anything, please you write it, not a problem. For a demo purpose, I'm going to write like this. Okay, so let us go here and reload it. I'll click on a login. So currently it is opening in a new tab. I don't want to open in a new tab. Let me remove that here. Okay. So what is the attribute we should remove it? Target is equal to underscore blank. Okay. So now whenever I'm clicking a dashboard, it will go to the dashboard. Whenever I'm clicking employees, it will go to employees. Okay. And and I want to give for all other things also. So what is the first thing I should do it here? I should create a pages, right? So I should create a company page, calendar page, review page. So let us create fast. Okay. Something company data HTML. Okay. Next, right click. Hmm. Create new page, and then what is the next page we want to create it? Calendar data HTML, calendar dot HTML. Okay, and next page leaves dot HTML. Okay, next page review dot HTML. Okay, settings dot HTML. Right. Okay, settings dot HTML. Okay, next reports dot HTML. Okay, next logout dot HTML. Logout is not required, okay, because we'll navigate to login page. Okay, that is okay. Okay, so let us go here, ma. So now I have written this thing, right? I'll go to company, I'll go to this dashboard. So I'll just copy this one. I'll go to each page. I'll say this is a calendar page because I want to display like this, right? That is okay. And this is a company page. Okay, company page. Next dashboard employees, that is done, and home page already done. Leaves will write a leaves page. Everybody will do that, right? Okay, please try to do this, and let me go here and reload it. So now whenever I'm clicking company, I have to go to which page? Company page. Okay, go here. Which page I want to go to? Company page. Okay, so here it will say company page. Okay, that's fine. And this one calendar page. Okay, this one leaves page. Okay, next one review page. Okay, next one reports page. Okay, reports page, and then manage. I think I did not write for this one. Let me see settings page. Okay, and here I will go to login page again. Login.html file. Save all. So let us reload this one. Okay. First thing is let it be there in the top. I don't have a problem. Okay. But let me go to my project here. The first thing is, even though you are in any page, I don't have any problem. You are in a dashboard page or employee page or company page. What is the common thing, ma? In the top header is common, right? In all the pages, I want header. Correct, right? So then what I will do? I will for now for making header. I will go to my header, something like I will go to home page. Okay. So write another H1 or anything. Okay. So whenever you want to write a header, there is a tag called header tag. Okay. So for now, let us use the header tag. Okay. Header also block level element only. What block level will do? Always will occupy the full width. Okay. For now, I'll say project name, some payroll management. Okay. Management. I'll say like this and reload our page here. Okay, I'll go to login page. So I have a payroll management. Inside the header, I want in a big font. If you want to write in a big font, what you will do? You can write in a H1. You can keep it inside it. Okay, something like this. Okay, and you can add any color also. You can add any color. We will write the styles later. Okay, and suppose if you go here and they are adding only white background and there is a border bottom is there, shadow is there. We will add that one by one. Now my first page is ready. I having a header and so now what I will do today we will write okay something. Okay, this is okay. We'll add styles tomorrow. So now I'll go to dashboard. Inside the dashboard, even though you are going a dashboard, what is our next thing common should be there? Your header should be there. Always header should be there. Correct, right? So now what? Okay, I will go here. I will copy this header. I will go to my what is the first page? Dashboard.html. I will go here and I will paste it here. Okay, now I'll go back here and I'll reload. See, my header is there. Okay, and now the problem is whenever you are going for next page, if you go to the project, suppose I'm in employees, still my left side menu is there, right? If I go to dashboard, still my left side menu is there, right? Even though you are going any page, your all menu should be there always. Okay, so if I want to solve it, what I can do? Simple thing. First thing, go and fix all the like links, give all the links in one page. Okay, once these links are correctly working fine, currently for manage I need to write a manage.html. Okay, okay, something like this. Once this line is fixed, copy this one, go to your dashboard and paste it here. Okay, so now I have now how many pages I need to copy paste in all the pages, correct, right? I'll go and do it. Employee page done, company page also I will do it. How many pages I'm writing this code? Employees, first name, last name, I don't want it, and forget password. Okay, let us write it. And home page already we have it, and leaves, leaves also we need to write the same code. Okay, that is okay. Registration, and registration also we want to, okay, forget about the registration. Okay, I'll say H1. This is a reports page, something like this. File saver. Okay, now I will go to this page. I'll back. I'll reload it here. I will click on dashboard. See, dashboard is coming. Still I have the links. Now I will click on employees. Still my employee page is coming. My links are there. I'll go to company. Still I am going to company page. My links are there. Okay, I'll go to calendar. Okay, calendar. What happened to calendar page? Okay, I did not write the calendar. So now you understand what you need to write it, right? So calendar page, something like this. Okay, reload it. Okay, okay. So calendar, still calendar is there, and leaves, something like this. Wherever you go this page, I want to keep your menu should be stay there. Okay, so that what will happen is your next focus is we will develop only this area, like a dashboard is there, right? We will work on only this area. This is already developed, this is already developed. We will develop only in one page. We will copy that same code in all the pages. Okay, so like this, tomorrow whenever you are coming, your all menus, like whatever the menu you are writing it, so everything should be functional by Monday, like whenever you are coming it. So Monday, I have to see the login page. That's okay. Click on login. You have to see this page. Okay, dashboard. Dashboard page is there. Employees is there. Something like this. Links should not be broken. See here. I did not write the manager.html. Your page should not be like this. Okay. Even I can create my own page. I'll fix this one. Okay, something like this I want to do it. Okay, so once we do that, and second thing is in the login page, so wherever you are writing your login page, right? I want to see any one image in the either right side or left side, anywhere wherever you want to use it. Okay, and next thing, wherever buttons are there, you can add some tooltips like title, like what this button will do, some just for practice purpose. Okay, and this favicon icon should be there in all the pages. Suppose if I go to my first page, only in login page favicon will be there. Okay, if I go to my home page, favicon is not there. That is not a good website, right? Even if you go to any page, your favicon should be there. Okay, if I want to be there, what I have to do? Simple copy paste that favicon link wherever that link is there. Go to your login.html and just copy this link tag and paste in all the code. Automatically it will do it. Okay, something like, so this is a homework by Monday whenever you wanted to come. Okay, so I will stop the recording for now.